Okay, dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in system of circles. We have finished 2 classes for this chapter and 10 questions also we have finished. In this class, we will try to solve 5 more questions from question number 11 to 15. See what they have given in question number 11. The locus of the center of the circle which cuts the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0 orthogonally and touches the line. See, one circle is there, it is cutting another circle in orthogonality. That formula we will use and one equation we will take. Another one is giving one equation. Okay, touches the line. Touches the line means tangent. That means radius and this what we can say perpendicular distance. We will equate. Another equation will come. Naturally, it should come the answer. Why? Because here they are not asking the complete equation. Only locus of the center they are asking. Possibly it will come. Okay. Or else third equation also should come for us. Then we are going to solve G, F, C and all. Okay. That is usual practice. Like this we have seen in last class also. Let us proceed further then. Okay. Okay. Now first I am writing standardized equation and this equation. We will draw all G, F, C and all and we will find orthogonality and we will find equation. You see what I am writing? Generalized equation. Generalized equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is generalized equation. This side given equation. Given equation is x square plus y square minus 20x plus 4 equal to 0. This circle is touching this circle. Sorry, what is it? Orthogonally. Orthogonal. Okay. Okay. Orthogonality formula we know. Before writing that formula, I am taking this gx and also. See here, g is g only. Why? Because this is generalized circle. G is there, f is there, c is there. Here, g dash, f dash, c dash. You have to find here. G dash. See, minus 20 is 2g. Minus 10 is g. Minus 10. Okay, f dash 0. Here f is not there, y is not there. C dash 4 is there. Okay. Now you write down this orthogonality formula first. I am writing this orthogonality formula. What is the formula? 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. Okay. 2g into y, because 2g we don't know, gfc we don't know. That is why you have to write 2g. G dash is how much? Minus 10 plus 2f. F dash is how much? F dash is 0 is equal to c plus c dash is how much? 4. Then what will be the equation? Minus 20g, write down. Minus 20g, why? Because 10 into 2, 20. Okay, minus 20g minus c equal to 4. See, I have brought this side. Why? Because this is 0. See, I have brought this side. Okay, or else I will make c is equal to minus 20g minus 4. C is equal to minus 20g minus 4. Like that also I can write. Okay, now this is one equation. Another one, you see, one line they have given. This line is a tangent. Tangent means center, you know, g square f square and minus c, but that c you substitute this one, then you see what will happen now. You see what I am writing? The line is a tangent. Tangent line. Touching means, see, touches means tangent. Don't forget it. Tangent line x minus 2 equal to 0. Why? Because x equal to 0 means x minus 2 equal to 0. You have to write in ax plus by plus c form. Okay. And center minus g comma minus f. Okay. Now I want to write perpendicular distance implies perpendicular distance. You see, perpendicular distance is here radius. That's all. Radius we will write afterwards. First perpendicular distance ax1. A is how much here? 1. Okay, 1 into x1 is minus g plus by1. B is not there here, 0, but here B is there, F, but even then 0, you write 0. Why? Because here B is not there, Y. Plus C means here minus 2. Modulus you apply, divided by a square plus b square under root. A square means here 1 square. B square is there, not there. Then plus 0. Under root you keep or not, 1 only will come. That means the denominator doesn't have any value here for this one. Go for this is equivalent to perpendicular distance is equivalent to radius. Why? Because tangent touches means automatically perpendicular distance equal to radius. Radius is how much? You see g square plus f square. These values we don't know. Minus c under root. Comma you keep. Now I am simplifying because c value I want to put it. Okay, c minus g minus 2. Minus g minus 2 modulus is equal to, why? Because denominator is 1. You need not write. Minus g minus 2. Okay. This side you see g square plus f square minus c area plus 20 plus 4. I can write. Okay. I write down. G square plus f square minus c means minus is there. You make minus means plus 20g plus 4. Okay, now you have to solve this. See, minus g minus 2 are minus if you take common g plus 2. If you square means all are going to become square only. Sorry, positive only. Okay, that we know very well. Then you proceed further. See, squaring on both sides. I am doing. You see, g square plus 4 plus 4g. Okay, 2ab 2 into 2 4g. Okay, is equal to. The square will go away. That means g square plus f square plus 20g plus 4. You see here g square going to get cancel out each other. Okay. And you take all that side. Okay. Plus 4 also going to get cancel out each other. 4g you send that side. You see what will happen here? F square plus 20g minus 4g equal to 0. That means what will happen here? F square plus 16g equal to 0. Stop. Go back. Locus of center. See, locus of center means exactly x, y will not come. In place of f and g, g is like f, g is like x, f is like y. G is from x we are taking, f we are taking from a. Okay, f we are taking from y, g we are taking from. Locus means actually this you have to convert. You see what I am writing? Y square is equal to 16x. Shall I write like this? Why? Because you see here, f square is equal to minus 16g will become. F square is equal to minus 16g. But see, f square means y square minus y. Center is what? Center is minus g minus f. We know very well. Center is minus g minus f. But if you square y square, f square both are same. Minus f square, minus y square both are same. But x is going to become different. Why? Because minus g only how to write. Minus g means here g value you have to write minus. Automatically y square is going to become 16x. Okay, you understand this logic? This is answer for this question. Let us go for 12th question. See question number 12. The equation of the radical axis of the pair of circles. Two circles they have given. We want to find the radical axis. Okay, simple technique is there. You subtract second equation from first equation, but for subtracting carefully you should see this coefficient should be same. Or else you make coefficient as 1. Why? Because here if you coefficient, if you want to make 1 means you have to divide with 7. Then x square y square will come. Here also divide with 4, x square y square will come. Then you subtract. Like that you have to do. Or else you multiply this with 4 and you multiply with this 7. 28 is going to become. Then also you can do it. Okay. Radical equation of axis means it is a line. Line means you should be in linear form. X square y square should not come. X square should y square should eliminate. Eliminate means this coefficient should be equal. Then only those are going to eliminate. That is the logic behind this question. Okay, see what I am writing. I am dividing with 7. See what I am writing first. You observe carefully. 7x square plus 7y square minus 7x plus 14y plus 18 equal to 0 implies, if I divide with 7, x square plus y square minus x plus 2y plus 18 by 7. is equal to 0. Okay, this is the case of first equation. Go for second equation. 4x square plus 4y square minus 7x plus 8y plus 20 equal to 0 implies, divide with 4, x square plus y square minus 7 by 4x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Now subtract second equation from first equation. Okay, see what I am writing now. Radical axis, equation of radical axis. Okay, okay. X square plus y square. Shall I do here directly? Subtraction. X square, y square are going to get cancelled out. Minus x, minus of minus, plus 7x by 4. 2y going to get cancelled out each other. Plus 18 by 7 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, you solve this. For solving this, what you have to do? You have to take 28 as LCM. Okay, let us do it. Okay, 28 you take as LCM. I am removing this rough calculation. Okay, see what I am doing. 28 if I have taken LCM, 1 is there. 28 times, that means minus 28x. Okay, plus. See 4, 7 times goes to 7 into 7, 49x. Okay, plus 7 4 times goes to 4 into 18, 36, 72 minus 128 comes 28 times goes 28 into 5, 5 8s are 40, 5 2s are 10 plus 4, 140. Okay, that is equal to 0. Now this 28 also going to multiply and it is going to become 0. Now you see 49 minus 28. 49 minus 28. 1, 2, 21 x. 72 is positive but negative is 140. Ten minus 2, 8, 3, 13 minus 7, 6, 68. Minus 68 equal to 0. See now, this is equation, that's all. 21x minus 68 equal to 0. This is the answer for your radical axis equation. Okay, like this only how to do. Be careful. Both coefficients of x square, y square should be same or else you make equal. Here x square coefficient is 1, x square coefficient is 1. Okay, but here 7 is there, 4 is there. In that condition you cannot make subtraction. Okay, let us go for 13th question. See question number 13 they have given. A line L meets the circle x square plus y square is equal to 61. Okay, in AB. Okay, P minus 5 6 is such that PA is equal to PB is equal to 10. Then the equation of L is, see here equation of L is radical axis only, but how we are going to find the radical axis equation? Why? Because you don't have two circles here. With one circle how we are going to find? Hint is, you take this as center and radius as this. Why? Because what they are giving, you see P is there, okay, P one point is there, from P to PA and PB. Both are 10 means so you can make this as one circle. That means see one circle they have given, another circle you take as center and radius. That's all. If P is center, PA is equal to PB equal to 10 means 10 will be your radius. With this one circle, both circles subtract, then you are going to get the radical axis equation. That's all. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, see, given equation, given circle equation, comma, x square plus y square is equal to 61. This is one equation. Okay, now go for second equation. Second circle equation as P minus 5 comma 6 as center and PA is equal to PB is equal to 10 as radius implies. Okay, see what I am doing. X minus of minus plus 5 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square is equal to 10 square. Is this the equation? Yes, sir. Then you expand it and subtract it. Okay, let us see. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 100 equal to 0. Okay. That also 61 minus 61 equal to 0 we will write. Minus 61 equal to 0. Okay. Now you see x square y square, write down. X square plus y square plus 10x minus 12y. Now you see 25, 36, 41. No. 36 to 25, you add 11, 61, subtracted, minus 100 plus 61. 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 6, 3. That's all, 39. This is minus 39. Minus 39 equal to 0. This is the second equation. And write down the first equation besides this, below this. X square plus y square. X square plus y square minus 61 equal to 0. See, remaining all zeros. Okay. Now you subtract. Radical axis equation or subtract. X square will go away, y square. See here, both coefficients are equal. That is why we are able to do this. Or else you have to make equal. Okay. 10 minus 0, 10x. Minus 12 minus 0, minus 12y. Minus 39 plus 61. Why? Because minus is there. 61. 61, 39. 11 minus 9, 12. Sorry, 11 minus 9, 2. 5 will be there. 5 minus 3, 2. 22. 22 is what? 22 is plus. Why? Because 61 is bigger. Plus 22 equal to 0. Okay. See, you can still further you can reduce it. Why? Because of 10, 12, 26 means with 2 you can go. It will go. 5x minus 6y plus 11 equal to 0. You understand? Further cannot be reduced. Okay. This is the answer for your 13th question. Let us go for 14th question. See question number 14. If the radical axis of the circles, two circles they have given, one is standardized equation, you observe carefully. Another one circle they have given, touches the circle, another circle, then what is the value of 4g minus 3f minus 2 is variable? See here they have not given 2g, gf and all. Generalized way they have given. That is why gf you are unable to find. But radical axis also will come in gf form. See here radical axis means what? Line. That line touches the third circle. That means that line is tangent to the third circle. That means third circle radius you take, perpendicular distance you find with this line. When the perpendicular distance you equate it to radius. Why? Because radius you are going to find here. Center radius you are going to find from third circle. Then you are going to get this equation. 4g minus 3 f minus 2 is equal to how much like? Then you are going to find finally. Okay, that is the procedure we have to follow here. Let us proceed further. You see what I am writing. First radical axis. To find radical axis here you see this you should divide with 2. Why? Because here x square is coefficient 1. Here x square coefficient is 2. Okay. See what I am writing. Equations you see. Once again I am writing x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is one equation. Another equation 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 8y plus 2c. Okay, 2c equal to 0. Okay, this is another equation. Okay, now this equation I am dividing with 2. Okay, 2. Why? Because the coefficient I want to make equal. Here 1 is there, here also will be 1. Or else you have to multiply this with 2. Both are same. Anything you can do. You can multiply also, that is not a problem. Shall I multiply? Because that model also we will see. If you multiply this, what will happen? 2x square plus 2y square plus 4gx plus 4fy plus 2c equal to 0. Okay, now you see 2x square, 2y square, 2x square, 2y square. Now you do it. Okay, see, while doing here, 3x is there, 4gx is there. Then you bring this under this. Or the same thing you can do. That is not a big issue. Write down 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 8y plus 2c equal to 0. Okay, what you have to do for radical axis? You have to subtract 2x square, 2x square, 2y square, 2y square, and 2c also going to get cancellation here. See, okay. Then what will happen? You see, 4g minus 3 into x, 4gx minus 3x minus, okay, and plus 4f minus 8 into y equal to 0. Is it okay? 4g minus 3x, 4gx minus 3x, 4gx minus 3x, minus is there. 4fy minus 8y, 4fy minus 8y. This is the radical axis, okay, radical axis. And you see here, constant will not be there for radical axis line normally, okay. May be there, but here constant got cancelled. Here constant is not there. Now go for third circle. Third circle, this radical axis touches this third circle. Understand? Touches means automatically what will happen? Tangent. This is going to become tangent. Why? Because this is equation of line, linear. Here square is not there. This is linear. Linear means line. This line is touching this circle, means this circle radius center you find perpendicular distance. Equate, that's all. Perpendicular distance for finding this equation you require. Okay? Let us write. Okay, see, go here. Again you write x square. This third equation I am writing. Okay? We have not done any mistake now. We have taken general equation and second equation. Okay? Okay. Now we are taking third equation. Okay. No wrong we have done. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. See, from this you find center, radius both. This is center means what? Minus g minus f. G will be 1. Why? Because 2g will be 2 means g will be 1. Minus g means minus 1. Center minus 1. Okay. And 2f will be 2, f will be 1, but minus f will be minus 1. Center you have find. Then you find radius also. Radius r. Minus 1 square 1 plus minus 1 square 1 minus c. C is here 1. Okay. 1. But under root. Plus 1 minus 1 got cancelled. R radius is equal to 1 here. Okay. Center and radius you have got, and line also you have got. Now you find this the perpendicular distance formula. Perpendicular distance formula means a x1. You see, x1 y1 are these. A, B, C is not there. Okay, a x1 means you see 4g minus 3 into minus 1 plus b y1. B is how much? 4f minus 8 into minus 1 plus c is not there. Then put modulus divided by a square plus b square. A square means this one. 4g minus 3 whole square plus 4f minus 8 whole square, but this will be under root. Don't forget. ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by a square plus b square under root equal to perpendicular distance. But here perpendicular distance is radius because the tangent is touching. Okay, touching means radius is going to become perpendicular distance. That is equal to 1. That means both are going to become equal. Why? Because you can send this that side. Okay, now you first send inside. Why? Because this constants I want to cancellation. Okay, see, minus 4g plus 3. Shall I write comma minus plus 1 plus 3 minus 4g. 3 minus 4g plus 8 minus 4f modulus. Okay, now see this, because of 1 I am going to send that side. That is equal to, don't expand this under root. That is a big mistake. We will square afterwards modulus both sides. At the time the square root will go away. Okay, don't expand. If you expand then you are unable to do. Okay, write down 4g minus 3 whole square plus 4f minus 8 whole square under root. Okay. Now further some calculation. You see 11, write down 11 minus 4g minus 4f modulus is equal to, again you write down 4g minus 3 whole square plus 4f minus 8 whole square. Okay, but this will be under root. Now you see, you have to do squaring on both sides. If you square a plus b plus c whole square, like you have to take a plus b plus c whole square, this square root is go away, that's all. After getting off square root, then you have to square it and add it. Okay, what I am going to do, see what they asked as 4g minus 3 f minus 2, that I am writing here and I am going to rub the question. Okay, see, they are asking 4g minus 3 into f minus 2 is equal to how much, right? Okay, I am going to rub the question. Now why? Because we will go top. I don't think bottom we can do. Okay. Let us proceed further then. See, I am squaring on both sides. If I square on both sides, SOBS, squaring on both sides, you see, a square 121, b square 16g square, c square 16f square, minus 2ab. Why? Because 1 is minus, 1 is plus. Minus 2ab. 2 into 4 into 11. 8 into 11. 88. 88g. Minus 88g. Minus 88g. Okay. But this is going to become plus. Plus 2bc. Why? Because minus into minus plus. 2 plus 2bc. 4 into 4. 16 into 2. 32. 32gf. Plus 32gf. Plus 32gf. Okay. Again minus and plus. 2ca. Minus 2ca. 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 11, 88. But 88 f. Minus 88 f. Minus 88 f. Okay. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This side is over LHS. RHS you do. Now square root will not be there. Then you square and add. Okay. 16g square plus 9 minus 2 into 4 into 3. 4 into 3, 12 into 2. 24g. Okay. Plus is there, directly can do. 16f square plus 64. 4 into 8. 32 into 2. 64f. Minus 64f. Minus 64f. Okay. Okay. Now let us proceed. Let us proceed further. You see 16g square cancel out. 16f square cancel out. What else? See 88g is bigger. You send all that side. Okay? You send all that side. Think you are sending all this side. Okay? See 9 plus 64. 9 plus 64. Okay, we will do one thing. 88g minus 24g. 88 minus 24. 4, 6, 64. 64g. Why? Because this is going to become plus. That side I have sent like you think. 64g. First one. G over. F also you send. This is going to become minus 32f. Sorry, not. This is not f. This is g. Gf. 88. You see plus 88 minus 64 this time, plus 88 minus 64, 4 to 24, plus 24 f, plus 24 f. Okay, f also over. Okay, g and f over. Remaining are constants. You send gf also. Minus 32 gf. Minus 32 gf. Okay, gf also over this side. Okay, now you see 64 plus 9, 73. 73 minus 121 plus 73. Minus 121. This side only 121 is constant. minus 121 plus 73. Is it okay? 64 plus 9, 6 plus 3, yes, 73. 73, correct. See, 8, 1 will be there, 11 minus 7, 48, minus 48. Minus 48 equal to 0, okay? Now I am going to remove this rough calculation. Eamcet also we don't require. Okay? Okay. See, this equation further you solve. All with 16, not 16, 8 it is going to divide. 8's are 64, 8g plus 8 3's are 24 minus 8 4's are 4gf minus 8 6's are 48, okay? Now, no, nothing you can take. But see, you have to convert in this form. 4g. Shall I take 4g common? 8g, 4g is there. Okay, I am taking common. You see here 4g. 4g if I take, okay, 4g if I take here, 4g if I take 2 will be there. 2 minus f. Is it correct? 4g if I take 2 minus f. 8g minus 4gf. 8g minus 4gf. Okay. These two over. Now go for f and 6. 3 you take common plus 3. Plus 3 if you take common, f minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. F minus 2 equal to 0. Shall I take minus 3 common then? Minus 3 if I take common, 2 minus f. Minus 6 plus f. Minus 6 plus 3f. Okay, over. Now you see 2 minus f also you can take common now. Okay, see 2 minus f into 4g minus 3 is equal to 0. See what they asked, that is 0 answer. Okay. You can take both 4g minus 3 into f minus 2 or 2 minus f. Both are not going to change. Why? Because see, if you reverse it, 0 is not going to change. That is the logic. Okay. Whatever they asked the result is 0. Okay. Let us go for last question, 15th question. See question number 15. This question is last question for this class. The length of the common chord of the circles of radii 15 and 20 whose centers are 25 units of distance apart is like they are asking. You see, one drawing I am drawing, you observe a little bit carefully. Two circles are there and what we can say? Common chord is there. That means see, this is chord we know very well. Okay, this chord. But centers, this is C1, this is C2. The centers are at a distance of 25 they are telling. R1, R2 they have given. This is R1, this is R2. Okay, they have given. They are asking us length of the common chord. That means see, this is the length of the common chord. A and B. Up to A to B is the length of the common chord. See here, if it cuts in orthogonally, then one formula is there. But we have to know whether it is cutting orthogonally or not. Like, why orthogonality we know. Tangent of both circles should cut at 90 degrees. Okay. See, directly we cannot say by seeing this, but we will see with problem. Okay, how it comes under. Okay, see what I am doing. Length of the common chord of the circles radii they are giving. Okay, I am finding, you see, let R1 is equal to 15, R2 is equal to 20, distance between center, that means C1, C2 is equal to 25 they have given. Okay, now I am doing, you see, some calculation. R1 square plus R2 square is equal to 15 square plus 20 square, that is equal to 225 plus 400, that is equal to 625. Okay, this is one thing. And go for B square. 25 square is equal to 625. One thing I am writing, you see. When R1 square plus R2 square is equal to D square, then both circles cut orthogonally. Both circles cut each other at orthogonally. Orthogonality. Okay. If that is the case, then formula for length of tangent, length of common chord, you see what I am writing, length of common chord is equal to 2 r1 r2 by r1 square plus r2 square under root. You understand this question? Okay. Now substitute 2 into r1 is how much? 15 into r2 is how much? 20 divided by square root of this we know already. r1 square plus r2 square 625. That means you write r1 square plus r2 square or d square, both are same, but it should be under root. Or else you directly you can write d. That's all. 6 to, or else you can write d also. I am writing, you see. That is equal to 2 r1 r2 divided by d. Why? Because we are doing here d square only, na? D square we are doing and putting root, that's all. That means d only will come. Okay, that means you see 30 into 20 by 25. 4, 5 4s, 5 5s, 5 6. 24 will be your answer. Okay, 24 will be your answer. Okay, that means this length A to B will be 24. Okay, what if these are not orthogonal? That we will see in the next class. Such type of questions also we will tackle, and we will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.